Welcome back to Barnsley College, and today I'm going to do a retake of the elevators at Barnsley College in Barnsley. I'm doing a YouTube video here today.
Are you sure?
Yeah, Jean said I can do them now. We got do up to 6. Capacity 26 persons, 2,000 kilos, installed in 2011. This is a very big elevator. Oh, we're stopping at 4. Oh. You going up, are you? Alright, yeah. Come on in. What floor do you want?
Bottom.
Yeah, bottom, yeah.
Yes, please.
And we'll get off at 4 as well. No, we're going up first. Yeah. I'm really, really sorry about that, guys. Nothing I can do.
You had a good day today?
Yeah, I have, yeah.
Can I be in your video?
No, not other people, just the elevator itself, so. You're at 6. This is here the very, very top floor here. We're going to go back down to 3 and we'll change elevators.
Are you doing this for yourself or somebody else?
For my YouTube channel, I'm doing it for.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's called the Elevator Vlogger if you want to subscribe.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Alright, see you later. See ya. I'm going to do the other one. The other elevator. I'm doing both of them. And this one is smaller than the other one. And it's MRL as well. Hey, do you see MRL cabinet? Oh, he's stopping. Believe it'll be coming up as well. Hopefully I'll get to it to myself. Here it is. Oh yes, I gave it to myself. Is another Otis. Capacity 17 persons, 1275 kilos, installed in 2011. Here at lower ground. And that's it.